Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share the recipe of famous Middle Eastern dip or spread which is made of chickpeas. Yes, this is hummus or hummus, which is healthy dip. This is my favorite healthy dip and let's see how to prepare this. I have soaked in 1 cup of chickpeas for overnight. Drain the water and it's time to pressure cook the chickpeas. Take the chickpeas in a pressure cooker and add in enough water. Pressure cook it for 8 to 10 whistles or until done. This should be the consistency of the cooked chickpeas. Keep this chickpeas boiled water, which we'll be using it later. For the tahini sauce, take 2 tablespoons of white sesame seed. Dry roast the sesame seed and make sure it doesn't change color. You can also use store-bought tahini. The sesame seeds are roasted perfectly and I have taken it in a mixer grinder. Powder the sesame seed without adding water. Add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil and grind it. Add in olive oil little by little and grind it. I have added little amount of chickpea boiled water and grinded it into a smooth paste like this. The tahini sauce is ready now. In a food processor, take 4 garlic cloves. Boiled and drained chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, and juice of half a lemon. Firstly, blend it nicely without adding water. Add in the reserved chickpeas boiled water and blend it into a smooth paste. Add in salt as needed and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Blend it into a smooth paste. This should be the consistency of the hummus. Add in water accordingly and blend it. I have transferred the hummus into the serving bowl. For garnishing, drizzle in some extra virgin oil. Sprinkle some paprika powder or chili powder for extra flavor. Delicious healthy hummus is ready to be served now. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. I served it with tandoori chicken and pita bread. All these recipes will be shared in our channel. You can serve hummus with pita bread. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.